Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to download Minecraft for free. Let's get started. First things first, open up any web browser you prefer. In the search bar type download Minecraft and hit enter. Now look at the results carefully. The first link should be from the official Minecraft website, which is minecraft.net. Make sure it's the real deal. Click on that link to head over to the official site. Once there, click on Download Launcher for Windows 10/11. This will start downloading the installer file. Once that's done downloading, find the installer file and open it up. You'll see an installation window pop up. Before proceeding with this version of the Minecraft launcher, make sure that you're logged into the Microsoft Store. If you aren't logged in yet, follow the prompt by clicking on the link provided in this window. Once logged in, make sure to put a check mark where required and then click on the Install button. The installer will take a moment, so just sit tight while it completes. Once it's finished installing, click on Let's Go. Now, you'll need to sign in. You can choose either to sign in with your Microsoft account or log in using your Mojang account if you have one. Make sure your credentials are correct so you can access all those amazing features. After signing in successfully, you'll be greeted with various options for what version of Minecraft you'd like to play. Choose your preferred version. Each offers unique gameplay experiences tailored just for you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.